do Filipinos place water bottles on their roofs? This innovative lighting method, perfect for slums and areas without electricity, uses recycled water bottles. Simply fill a bottle with clean water and a bit of bleach to prevent bacteria, make a hole in the roof, and insert the bottle. Sunlight reflects through the bottle and illuminates the room without electricity. This method has already helped millions of homes in the Philippines, Africa, and other regions. At night, solar panels installed on the device provide light charged during the day. With an extremely low cost, requiring just a bottle and a cheap solar panel, this solution helps combat darkness in slums.